In front of me is POCO M7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings. Now scroll all the way down to click on Privacy over here. Then select Permission Manager and click on one of your device's features you wish to manage. I will go with Location. Now select one of those apps under one of those sections. Allowed all the time, allowed only while in use, or not allowed. I will go with AliExpress from not allowed one. Finally, you can apply one of those options. In my case, location access for this app allow only while using the app, and go back. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, AliExpress gained access to my device's location if I'm using this app. But you can always select any feature just to find an app you wish to manage. I will go into Camera to manage my Chrome. Now, instead of tapping on any of those options, select See All Permissions at the bottom and manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!